Hey guys, Big Dude 707 here. This is going to be system test number 11 with my Potter PFC-6006 sprinkler monitoring and volume control panel using mini horns this time. I'll show you I'll give you the description of the horns in the description. So here we go. Never pull a real fire alarm unless it's a real emergency. So this is going to be loud. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, my Z's not working. Okay, it's silenced. But for some reason the MIZ is not working. Let me just reset the pull station. Let's see what's going on. There we go. Gotta take a look at this. Okay, reset. System resetting. Acknowledge silence that. Let me see what I can do here, see what's going on with the MIZ. Let me take a look here. I'm going to try this again. See, I don't know what's going on here, but I'm connecting this wire to the Edwards mini horn. So I'm just checking out and see what's going on here. That's really strange. Okay, I'm going to do it one more time and see what happens. However, the mini horn, Edwards mini horn, the Potter mini horn went off at the same time. So here we go. Let's try again. 3, 2, 1. Still not working. They're still not working. That's weird. Okay, I'm going to reset the pull station. That's weird. Something going on with the MIZ probably. Whoops. Away. There we go. Put the key in the pull station. Reset it. There we go. Now let's reset it. Acknowledge that. Signal silence. That's to silence the troubles. I should do something here for a second. Hang on. Let's see what's going on here. Yeah, they're right up properly, as you can see, to the Edwards mini horn. But the MIZ is not working properly. I don't know why. Strange. Very, very, very strange. So yeah, we'll do another video after see what's going on. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.